Alright, here we go. What's another one? Tornado warning. Our first tornado warning of the day.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Bosque County and central Texas, southwestern Hill County and central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Meridian, or 10 miles northwest of Clifton, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near. Placed in around 7 tree damage Central Daylight Time. This dangerous storm will be near. Placed in around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Locations of Central Daylight Time. Wood Harbor. Other locations impacted by this storm and thunderstorm include Black, Lakewood Harbor, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from